First up, we have the majestic Niagara Falls. Straddling the border of New York and Canada, this powerhouse pumps 6 million cubic feet of water every minute. Next, let's head west to Oregon's Multnomah Falls. This dreamy, two-tiered waterfall is straight out of a fairy tale. Imagine misty cascades flowing over lush green cliffs. Breathtaking. Now, pack your bags for Tennessee's Ruby Falls. Hidden 1,120 feet beneath Lookout Mountain, this underground marvel glows like a gem in the dark. It's literally a hidden treasure. Finally, we can't miss Washington's Snoqualmie Falls. Towering at 268 feet, it's a thunderous spectacle you won't forget.